Our biggest philosophy is why do we do what we do and how can we do it better? My name is Vic Moore. I'm the president of Bridges Mechanical Services. We provide refrigeration cleaning in industrial cold rooms, hanging refrigeration units, and refrigeration units located on the roof, such as RTUs and air-cooled condensing coils. For my experience, the D19 and produce cases have never been cleaned unless there is an issue or a failure in the case. Not until we open them up, we can clearly see how dirty they really are. When these cases are neglected and not maintained, they will build up a large amount of byproduct in the case, eventually causing failure. At that point, the refrigeration companies will need to come in and fix what the failure was, being a frozen coil, clogged drain. Salmonella can develop from this, and dangerous bacteria could contaminate the food if this is not eradicated. A solution would be to provide a service for the D19 cases once a year. We rely on our equipment and hot water to thoroughly clean. Our setup time is literally 15 minutes. We find a location that we're going to use near the location we're servicing. We plug in and start servicing. We bring in our own evac systems to remove the water as we do the cleaning. We use cameras that we put up inside so we can see before and after what we're trying to clean. It is very important for the entire coil to be clean so the heat transfer process can be maintained. One of the services we provide are coil cleaning for the walk-in coolers, such as dairy cases, walk-in meat cases, meat prep areas, produce walk-in cases, and grocery stores. Every walk-in case we come to, we clear the drain from the pan out and also from the line to the floor sink. We come in on a scissor lift and we drop the pan and clean from the inside out, making sure the pan and the sub pan are completely clean. A clogged drain will cause the condensation water to back up and eventually freezing the coil and eventually damaging the equipment. So we have to make sure the drains are clear and free. For cleaning rooftop coils, we use our van-mounted system. We access the units, we move all the filters. We clean the interior coils, which is the evaporation coils, and the exterior coils throughout the whole service. Our system has a 600-foot hose that allows us to reach any RTU on the roof from one single location. One of the issues of cleaning rooftop units is cleaning the evap coil, which is the coil inside the unit. We developed what we call a coil cleaning sweep. It's 25 or 20 or 16 inch, which is the same size as a filter channel. This piece of equipment fits in the channel and has 10 sprayers. We simply roll it in the filter channel and roll it back, and the coil is extremely clean. At the end of the day, our equipment, our technicians, and myself are there to complement the refrigeration technician. This way, the refrigeration technician could do what his trade is supposed to do, was fix refrigeration equipment, not clean it. Our technicians are highly skilled at the service they provide because it's the only service they provide. All we do is refrigeration cleaning. For more information on coil cleaning or refrigeration cleaning, you can give us a call or email us or go and check us out on our website.